Well, not yet. I forgot to leave it run, I suppose. I just didn't put my mic on. Right, mic on. Getting on. Right, mic on. Alright, Wednesday, 22nd Feb. Leaving Rundu. It's not sun up yet, but it's quite light. Again, I'll just film it getting out of Rundu. So there's a bit of Rundu stuff you can see. So I rode about yesterday. I rode around. Some of my kilo things are that I've got in my tank bag here a little bit out. It's 350 k's. So that's not Mahon to Chicago is 380. That's kind of bad roads. It's probably about 20 past 6. Well, a bit different when you're loaded. It's quite easy riding around the last couple of days on the sandy roads, or gravelly, sandy, not too sandy, but just kind of woke up at 4:45 today. Actually, I was just kind of woke up and then morning taxis doing their thing. My alarm was going to go off at 4:15. So I thought I just stayed up, had a couple of cups of coffee, you know. This left foot peg of mine came loose again. Remember at Groot Mariku, I thought it had been loose. So there's a, I'll show you another time, but there's a plate that is part of, because the center stand on this bike is not standard, it's an aftermarket thing. So there's a plate that gets put on between the foot peg and the you know, its original mounting point. And of course the center stand is shaking all the time. So I think it's the center stand vibrations, you know, which fiddles the plate that it's connected to, and that jiggles the whole thing loose. So I did put a star washer on last time, but that was right on the outside bolt. So I put a star washer now between the foot peg and the plate. I don't know if that'll make any difference, but let's see, because it should hold things better. And if that still comes loose, I'll try and put a star washer on the other side of the plate, so that between the plate and its mounting on the bike. Right, if I'd known better, I would have probably come in this way last time to minimize the dusty roads. So it's like only this is Independence Road, only this one. And so there's a few of the mainer roads that are tarred. The rest is sort of in a house residential area. It's just the sandy sort of roads that we saw. Twenty past 6 in Rundu. Kids going to school. This is like Joburg. Not even sunrise, man. It's a bit nuts, isn't it? Choke off. So I was on, when I did my calcs, I was on 4.4 k's on my trip. And I was on about 11, so everything's plus 7. 56 k's. So I've just sort of added extra markers just to add a bit of interest to the trip. So Kuseka, 56 k's out. 56 k's from here. Kevin and others, you'll be so excited to know. I'll try and take a photograph. There's the Man United pub, 27 k's out of town. So that'll be about 38 k's. Keep an eye for that. Filled up with gas yesterday. Drew the cash as I mentioned. Whoa, okay. So I think I might have said it on the video on my camera that I think I decided yesterday, I don't know what the right word for it is, but Rundu's like a trading town, a shopping town. I think there's quite a bit of farming stuff. There's livestock and agriculture going on. But it's just doesn't look like much happens other than people coming here shopping. I mean that when I tried to get a SIM card yesterday, and I was there at midday, it was packed. Queues outside. Packed. You know? It's like a middle of the week, you know, Tuesday, 12 o'clock, queues. And then I said to the guy, oh, I must come at 8. He said, no, you must come at 6 a.m. to start queuing. If you want to miss the queues. Like, what? So I think it's the only place of trading, shopping, commerce, probably for miles around. You know, but that's what makes it. There's no real thing of its own. I mean, a little bit of industry, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, but it's really, I don't know what the official term is, but it's like the shopping town. It's the governor of the Northeast District is here, so there's all the government offices here, etc., etc. Here's our right turn, and straight, I think, pretty much to Otavi. Not even one turn. It's not. Let me stop. That side's fine, that side's fine. Let's go. Straight to Grootfontein. Well, fill up petrol. So Grootfontein should be about 260 k's here from here. Grootfontein 260. Nice and cool. I don't know what the temperature is. Probably. I was looking on some radar, some weather system yesterday, and it was like 35 degrees. You know, by midday, early afternoon, it really gets quite hot. And I think the mornings are down to about 17. So this might be 17. I don't know. It's nice and not cold. It's crisp. So I think I'll switch off. We'll do something at the Man U pub a little bit later.